Hello guys, and welcome to this video in which I'll replace the oil in the transfer case of my 1993 Eddie Bauer Ford Explorer. For easier access, I drove the Explorer on ramps to have more room under it. Putting both ramps on the same side would have been better, but I don't always make the best choices. Here is the transfer case, and you can see the fill plug without removing anything, while the drain plug is under this balancer and we'll have to remove it. First thing is to see if we can unscrew the fill plug, because we don't want to drain any fluid before we make sure we can refill the transfer case. For that I'll use the 3/8 square, it fits perfectly. Let's see if I can unscrew it. It's pretty tight, so I'll spray some WD-40 and let it rinse for a while, in this case about an hour. I tried with an improvised extension, but the extension is no good. I'll need to modify it. Better now? No, it doesn't work. I'll try it out any extension. Just push it. Finally, it worked.
Okay.
Now that I loosen it, I'll take the balancer, this balancer, off. There are 13mm screws and they're not so tight. So I use the 13mm hex. And to be quicker, I'll use this impact driver. Put the balancer down and some WD-40 for the drain plug. Same 3/8 square for the drain plug. Pretty tight as well. But after a few shocks, like this, it gets loose. I remove the drain plug by hand because I don't want it to fall in my oil collecting bucket. Oh, the oil looks pretty clean. Maybe this was changed when I bought the car and I forgot about it 4 years ago. Before I put the drain plug back, I apply some RTV gasket maker. Okay, I forgot to turn on the light, so sorry for this dark image, but it's just my hand putting back the drain plug. And now let's tighten it. because I didn't have a syringe to fill up the transfer case, I bought this garden sprayer for something like $3 and use it to fill the transfer case. It holds about 1 liter and the transfer case capacity is 1.2 liters, so one fill and then another 200 millimeters. Built up some pressure, and I've put a hose on it to make it easier. Here you can see the hose. And then, as you can see, now it's full. The oil started to drip out of the transfer case. I'll just clean this dripping oil. After applying some RTV gasket, I put the fill plug back and tighten it to about 30 newtons, same as the drain plug. Clean the whole area with some brake cleaner in order to see if there will be any leaks. The same for the fill plug area. After I cleaned it, I drove the car for about 30 miles without the balancer. And I checked after that those 30 miles and there were no leaks, so I put the balancer back. And that is all, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you.